Grade 7s, happy September 23rd. Hoping that your camping trip goes very well this week. But before you go, you've got quite a bit to do in this period. So I want you to pay close attention. We're going to get our Reader's Workshop all set up and going. And you are also going to carry on with some work in the social studies part as we look at First Nations groups in Canada before contact. So let's have a look. What I'd like you to do first, come into Reader's Workshop. And what you need to do here is complete the student reading survey. Okay, this will tell me a little bit about you as a reader, and when you go up to get your books from our library during your reading time, you're going to be reflecting on the novels that you read, and you are expected to read quite a few this year. So what this survey does is it tells me a little bit about who you are as a reader. So you need to go through and answer all these questions. Where there's a text box, you are required to write your responses in there, and then at the end you'll submit your survey. Okay, so that again is in the Reader's Workshop tab. You're going to click here. You should see this graphic, and then start the reading survey down here. The second thing you're going to do is I've provided you today with a copy of 100 Reader's Workshop reflection ideas. This is going to go into your binder under the Reader's Workshop section, and you're going to highlight 2 ways that you're going to respond to your reading to begin with. Okay? So this gives you some ideas about how you're going to respond as you read a book. So there's 100 different ideas in here, and I would like you to select 2 for now for the first 2 ways that you're going to respond to the book that you currently have, either from our library or from your own library. Okay, when that work is done, I'm not thinking that will take you the whole hour. You're going to log out of the computers and put those back, and then you're going to come back and be doing the work in Chapter 1 of your Social Studies textbook. And you will be completing your background research and information on the Haudenosaunee, the Mi'kmaq, and the Anishinaabe people. So you have copies of these. I've given those to the guest teacher, and you can come get those when you've completed the first one, and then come and get, most of you have done that and they're in your binder already, the Haudenosaunee one, and then you can come get the Mi'kmaq or the Anishinaabe ones. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.